Welcome. In this video I will show you how to open Canva using your browser in your mobile phone, even if you have Canva app. If you have Canva app in your phone, there are some designs you may want to do and you may need to switch to your phone browser. But because Canva app is in your phone, when you try to open Canva on your phone browser, it can lead you back to Canva app. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can work on Canva using your phone browser without being directed to your Canva app. So open your browser and head over to canva.com. So at this point you have to log in. For me, I have already logged in. So when you've logged in, you click on these three vertical dots and click on desktop site. Now depending on the browser you are using, just locate your browser menu and convert the site you've opened, this Canva site, into desktop view. So my Canva has turned into desktop view. So if I want to work on anything on Canva, I have to maintain the desktop view. So I can just increase my screen. So if I want to work on this design or I want to click anything on Canva, you don't just click directly. If you click directly, it's going to open your Canva app, which is not what we want. So what do? Whatever you want to click on Canva, you click and hold. Now when you click and hold, you click open in new tab in group or open in a new tab. Why I choose open in new tab in group is because when I do that, you can see below here, it has grouped all my tabs into one. So everything I'm working on with Canva will be grouped here. I don't need to minimize and go back. So I will just tap and switch to any of them. So this is how to work with Canva using your phone browser, even if you have the Canva app installed. If you don't do it like this, whatever you click on Canva will direct you to your Canva app. And sometimes there are some functions you may want to work with using Canva with your mobile app, and they will require you to use it on your browser. So you can get to your browser using this step I just showed you and it will work. But if you are using your computer, you don't need to worry about this. Just open your computer and head over to Canva and do whatever you want to do. So this is how to use Canva on your browser using your mobile phone. You may do well to watch this video again to understand better. So thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and give us a comment. Thank you.